Hey everybody, how you doing? Peter Carvell here. Now today I just quickly wanted to upload this video on the last day of this crazy year to say thank you for all your support this year. As a company, we probably didn't struggle as much as many other companies because we are about home fitness and we are an internet-based company, but still, I want to say thank you for all your support because I know so many people out there has been struggling this year, and I appreciate every single person who's bought a product from us this year. And I hope we also has done a little bit to help all those people whose gyms closed and to introduce you all to home fitness, and that some of you are hooked on home fitness for the rest of your life because it just gives you so much more freedom. But just a quick video today, guys, to say thank you so much for your support this year. And we've learned a lot in 2020, and now we can go and execute and take everything we've learned into 2021 and make sure it's hopefully a much better year. And to say thank you, guys, I've had so many emails about this because tomorrow our prices increase for all our products and especially our club membership. And we've had so many people asking if we can open it one more time because we've closed it for this whole month. But guys, what I'm going to do for the next 24 hours is I'm going to open it up. You can go to SixPackFactory.com/club if you want to learn more about it. But basically, it gives you access to all our products. Everything is in there to help you transform your body. And just to say thank you from my side, I'm going to open up the club for the next 24 hours on last year's rate or on this year's rate. Still, we haven't moved on to next year yet. So that if you want to get in there and you want to get everything you could ever possibly need to transform your body at home, you can still do it at the current rate before we have our price increase tomorrow. But guys, you can pop over to SixPackFactory.com/club if you want to learn more about that. But I wanted to just upload this video very quickly to say thank you so much for your support. And we're going to make sure 2021 is an amazing year, and we continue to provide you guys with high quality content to help you transform your body right there at home. I will see you in the new year. Bye bye.